What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your boarding pass on the Eurowings app. So once you go ahead and open up the Eurowings app, it's very easy to add a trip. Just simply click and add book trip or click the plus on the upper right hand side and enter your booking code or the ticket number and your last name. You can easily find the booking code when you purchase a flight ticket online. So once you purchase it, you'll get a booking code, and that booking code you can use to enter here and also to enter your last name and add the trip. Then once you add the trip, all you have to do is, if it's within the 72-hour period, you should be able to check in. And once you check in, you will have the flight details. So once you have the trip added, you'll be able to open up the trip just like this, and it will show you that okay, you are within the 72 hours, you can check in, and you will have the option to check in. Once you successfully checked in, you'll be able to choose the option that says open boarding pass, and you can open that and you'll be able to view the boarding pass details here. So you can click on it, you'll be able to see the boarding pass with the code, with a QR code, and you can easily use that to walk through the airport, scan, use it as your ticket and so forth, and you don't need to have a physical ticket. And if you have multiple tickets and you've checked in, you'll be able to see those boarding pass. You can quickly open them. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.